today we will not be looking at a battery, we will be looking at the wiki. This is a guy named Greg from Norway who also ran a battery repair service, or he ran a battery repair service, started in April of 2020. He actually came to visit me a year or two ago when he was in Stockholm, and it was very nice to getting to know him and how they operate in Norway. His company was called Yidlik and then Buttcomp, but in 2024 he moved here to Hungary to build batteries there instead. And I just noticed that he has made a wiki 7 months ago. It's similar to the Louis Rossmann wiki, which he has for Apple repair and stuff like that, but it's for e-bikes. And this is one of the most brilliant people I know in the e-bike battery repair industry. He mainly works with smart batteries because that's what they had in Norway. Everything was smart and had communication. He's famous for correct behave motion and Bosch and many other brands. And he actually has a tutorial for many of these batteries, what you can fix, how to fix it and stuff like that. And if you're into battery repair, even the slightest, it's very interesting to check out this guide. These are quite similar to my articles that I have at thebatterydoctor.eu under documentation, but I only do documentation. I don't tell you how to fix it or how the canvas works. I share a little bit of picture and how to fix basic stuff and how it might look inside, but he actually tells you how to fix it, how to communicate with the battery, how to activate it without an e-bike and stuff like that. I will look into this wiki a lot more and read every single article because I know everything here is good information. So if you're looking for something in the vein of smart batteries like BH, Bosch, Shimano or Yamaha, you must check out this guide. There's just so much information here. So check out his blog, and if you're in Hungary, don't hesitate to contact him because he knows his stuff. He really does.